Ready, quality 42. Pass to number 36. Field run. Wala na number 18. Score 17.
Go, Jello!
Number 24, Alex. Alex, score is 9-3. Alex, 22. Pass to number 36. Pass to Joel.
Kevin, wag mo na i-dribble!
Pass. Number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Number 22.
Hit one, Jello!
Bonus mo para number 18. Wala. Wala para number 18. Number 18.
Let's go!
Pili na tayo for double team. Desert Warriors. Sebelah big body board, number 22.
Line!
Is still the Desert Warriors.
Oh!
Ion. Ion. Power number 42. First personal foul, 13 foul, bonus foul, number 23. Three-point play, para kay Ion, the score is 12-5. Number 42. 42, pass number 18. Number 18, lakas. Bola ng Desert Warriors.
Ganda na pinapakita ni Jello.
Si number 15. Clear to shoot. Pass on the 3 kill. Time to shoot.
Oy! Half-court defense! Technical!
Technical tayo for half-court defense. For Desert Warriors.
Hindi na pigilan eh. Oh. Ay, si Jello.
Shooter para sa Roses.
Go, Jello!
Score is 12-6.
Okay.
Number 42. Sunod ni number 23, si Ball.
Nabitawan. Go,
Number
Tyron.
36.
Tyron, tira.
Pass number 42. 42, wala. It's good. 42. Score is 12-8. Nakasama ng kalamangan ng Desert Warriors. Time remaining, 1 minute and 50 seconds para sa ating first quarter. 10 to shoot. Nakawala si Nunes. Rebound number 18, pass to 42. Nakawala si Nunes. Pass to 46, pass to 25. Foul. Foul number
Go,
20.
Jace!
First personal foul for number 20, penalty. Last score para 55. Score is 29. Next number 15. Catching ball, number 15.
Offensive foul.
Second piece of ball, number 15. Time remaining, 1 minute. Para sa ating first quarter. Number 18.
Tira!
18. Nicoletta George. Score is 12-11. Last 45 seconds. Para sa ating first quarter. Pass number 23. 10 to shoot. Number 13 for 3. Number 36. Pass rate to 22. 22 down. Good pass back to 22. James Bacon. Shot up. Last 20 seconds. Pass number 24, Nunes. Nunes sa atake si Nunes. Nunes. Foul number 36. Score is 14-13. James Bacon. Second personal foul for number 36. 1 for penalty. Last 13 seconds. Bonus roll para number 24, Nunes. Last 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer up. Foul number 22. Penalty. Foul number 22. Third personal foul for number 22. Penalty. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds. Wala. Number 20, Villanueva. Tingnan mo Villanueva. Wala. Iwan na ganun. Ganun. Wala pa rin. Iwan na pala. Iwan na pala. Score is 59.
Tatangkad ng mga Indians na
Palito. Pass to. Number 23, Daniel. Daniel. Pero wala. Iwan ni number 21. 21. Foul number 1. Or music foul. First personal foul for number 1 for up. 2 shot for number 22. 21. Wala. Incomplete for 21. Wala na itong 2. The score is 16-15.
bola, bola! Basta. Okay, let's go. Set the play.
Villanueva, number 20. Pass to number 92. Number 92. Pass
Obra na.
Technical.
Bakit?
For 3-point team.
Ano nangyari? Gusto na makikita.
So, the score is 69. Take the shoot. Number 1 na. Pero may traveling violation tayo. Para number 1. Balik kay Ramos. Ramos. Foul number
Ay!
92.
Ano ba yan?
First personal foul, second time foul. Two shot para number 32, Ramos. Sablay pinto ni Ramos. Second foul, wala pa rin. One more pa lang. Wala pa rin para Ramos. Napunta kay Ramos. Pasok ko ni Paul. Take the shoot. Pasok ko sa iba. Rebound. Rebound ni Malone. Pasok ni Villanueva. Pasok na number 6. Roses. Roses. James Rebound. Score is 18-16. Number 44. 44, wala si 44. Score is 18-all. Villanueva magkakaroon.
Parang umalis. Your space stop.
Villanueva,
Villanueva.
Villanueva, wala number 13. Pasok number 22, Ramos. Nakuha number 13. Jumper! Wala. Take the shoot! Wala, pero foul.
Ganon.
Foul number 4, Milan, pushing foul. First personal foul, third team foul. So, basket time out tayo. Sa team Roses. Basket time out. Wala, di tayo na. Pass to Villanueva. Pass to number 6, Roses. Magaling na yung shoot. Number 6.
Uy! Mais ka! Bako! Half court! Half court! Reklamo pa siya.
Nagkanin, mabalik si Nagkanin. Wala na. Roses.
Ay! Ano ba yan? Let's go, Mark!
Number 13, Villanueva. Nakawala si Villanueva. Wala,
Nice
good
one.
plays para Villanueva. Score is 20-20. 21-20. Number 32, Ramos. Pass number 44. Balik kay number 23, Daniel. Sayang take the shoot. Number 13. Rebound number 1, Pranav. Kaya si Pranav sa kaya ng mga bola. Pass to number 6.
Yeah!
Pass to number 6. James
Good
Bigor.
job!
22-21. Balik ang pangalaman sa Roses. Number 32, Ramos.
All!
Step. Pero wala, di balik Daniel. Can't to shoot. Number 44.
Oh, double team!
Foul to shoot.
Double team!
Pagkakita na tayo.
Mendoza, nakita mo na eh. Malis ka na sana. Chase naman, hindi pa naman man yun. Kayong dalawa, paguntugin ko kayo. Go, Travis! Diyan sila kumukuha ng pang...
Sabay kay Ramos.
Apat, guys.
Number 21. Can't to shoot. Pass number 44.
Foul number 92.
Foul number 92. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
ball. Ano? Kanino
White ball.
White ball.
Nakakala ka rin rin. Villanueva.
Go, Mark! Yun, tira. Diretso, diretso, diretso.
Kaya si Villanueva.
Ay! Ay! Half court! Half court! Half court!
Pass 13. Balik kay 32 Ramos. For 3. For pushing foul. First person. Wala na ba ang point na doon? Pass number 1.
Okay, Mark, let's go.
Balik kay number 20. Ang hukay galing kay Villanueva.
Sukay, sukay, come on!
Time remaining 2 minutes. Para sa ating second quarter.
Back in the game.
Ayan si Bonito. Bonito na si Bonito. Nawala ng 13. Pero wala. Nawala yung 22. Ramos. 2 points para kay Ramos. Score is 26-22. Ayan si number 20 Villanueva. Pass number 92 Mendoza. Mendoza. Mendoza pero wala. Nakalimutan yun. Wala. Nakalimutan. Kaya to shoot. Nakakita namin pa rin si Nathaniel. Ayan si Nathaniel. Pass number 32. Pass number 44. Kaya to shoot. Dito. Nakakita pa na. Pass number 6. Ayan si number 6. Moses. With a fake. Moses. Pero wala. Wala na Villanueva. Villanueva. Foul. Foul ako. First person foul. First team foul. For number 44. Last 55 seconds. Para sa ating second quarter.
Go up to Mark, ha? Ayaw pa kayo sa pan.
So wala na yung punto ni Villanueva. Last throw para number 20. Good. Rebound lead. Number 92. Number 92. Malakas. Para sa kanyang rebound.
Yan.
Now, for 3 shot. Rebound number 21.
Half
Ayan
court.
na, number blue. Number 21.
Double team. Number 6. First personal penalty.
Number 6, first personal foul.
Penalty. Ay, hindi ba penalty?
So, victory 43. Time remaining 36 seconds para sa ating second quarter.
Pasok penalty, Maya. Bye-bye. Come out.
Sama. So, victory 43. Time remaining 28 seconds. Nice number 20, Villanueva.
Ay!
Outside. Shot ako, plus 19 seconds.
Baba!
19 seconds. Ayan si Bonifao. Bonifao naman ang si Bonifao. 2 points para kay Bonifao. Last 5 seconds. Ayan si number 6. Number 6.
Ngayon lang nila nilabas. Ngayon lang nila nilabas.
Last 1 second. Basa na lang.
Dito, oh. Shoot! Ah? Number 20?
Eight to shoot. Five to shoot. Let's go. Score is 22-24.
Ang gulo nila, coach. Ayusin mo.
Number 10, Enriquez. Number 10, Enriquez. Wala, rebound number 8. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 21. Pass to number 22. Time remaining. 6 minutes para sa ating third quarter. Number 22, Gino. Gino, number 22. Wala, pero wala. Number 22, Maray. Number foul. Foul number 10, Enriquez. First personal foul, second team foul.
Walang play.
Number 21, score is 34-24. Ang masasampo ang kalamangan ng Desert Warriors. Number 10. Number 30, mataas sa 20. Clear up. 2 points.
Nice one, Mark.
Score is 26-34. Number 22, Gila. 10 to shoot. Number 10, Nunes. Nunes, mataas sa Nunes. 2 points para kay Nunes. Balik sa sampo ang kalamangan ng Desert Warriors. Para sa number 10, Enriquez, ang bilis. 2 points para kay Enriquez. 28-26. Number 22, Gino. Wala si Gino. Bumaga. Pero may bag. Nakuha number 20. Wala si number 20. Villanueva. Wala. Iba number 8. Wala pa rin. Nakuha yung number 43 Daniel. Pass play to number 22, Gino. Gino. 2 points para kay Gino. Balik sa sampo. Kalamangan ng Desert Warriors. Number 20. Pass na mo ang Panam.
Panam.
Panam. Para Paul. Paul number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot para Score is 38-30. Number 22, Gino. Crossover by Gino. Take the shoot. Number 20. Pass number 3. 2 points. Desert Warriors. Wala sa hari ng malamangan ng Desert Warriors. Number 22, pass number 24, Nunez. Pass number 10, number 3. Nakalasay ka din, pero wala. Number 8. Pass number 10, Enriquez. Nasa Enriquez. Enriquez, pass number 3. Pero, grabe yung violation. Para number 3.
Tira mo na dun. Dinribble mo pa, open ka na.
Number 24, Nunez. Nunez. Trying to shoot. Pass number 22. Time to shoot. Nice steal.
Backcourt.
Tingnan tayo for defense.
Half-court defense. Pero di ba ano yun? Free ball yun.
Nunez, in-out. Ang pagkawa ng Nunez.
Diluwa. Wala. Tamaw. Set.
Number 10, Enriquez. Time remaining, 2 minutes para sa ating third quarter. Enriquez, pass to Villanueva. Villanueva.
Uy, dali.
Wala si Villanueva. Triple.
Go.
Point para Villanueva.
Job, Villanueva.
Bumasa pa ng kalamangan ng Desert Warriors. Ayan sa number 22. Pass number 24. 10 to shoot.
Nice defense.
24 Nunez. Wala. Ay, number 3. Villanueva. Ay, wala ang boses. Villanueva, natake. Pero wala. Hindi ko wala. Hanap. Tingin na. Pero wala.
Go ka, Mau.
Number 3. Tingin na. Wala. Outside pa ito. Wala ang
Ayan.
boses.
Walang play sa loob. Uy.
Number 3. Pass to Enriquez. Pick up. Wala ka sila number 8.
Nice one, Coach.
Number 8. Pumasa ko mga paalala ng Desert Warriors. Time remaining, 1 minute.
Get the ball, get the ball.
Last 50 seconds. Nasa ating third quarter. Number 22. Wala si Captain. Nasa ating basket. Nakawin. Wala. Rival 22. 10 to shoot. Number 8. 20 seconds. Number 10, Enriquez. Enriquez. Enriquez, pero wala.
Only one.
10 to shoot.
Wala pa bang foul yun? Ang dami-dami na.
Kung may misin tayo, may misin. Double team. Technical for double team.
Okay yun.
Last 28 seconds. 28 seconds.
Wala, wala.
Same ball. 26 seconds. 12 to shoot. Shot clock off, last 23 seconds.
Last shot.
Last 23 seconds para sa ating third quarter.
Get the ball. Coach, technical mo
20
na yun.
seconds. Pass number 24, Luis. Luis. Atak si Luis. Layup. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Pasa na lang. 2 points para Luis. Versus Desert Warriors. Number 10, Rodriguez. Jumper Rodriguez. 2 points para Rodriguez. Amagaan Moses. Score is 14-38. Page favor. Number 15. Pass over 33. 33. Wala. 10 to shoot. Mga foul. Number 13. Foul number 20. 30.
30. Wala si Martin.
Second personal foul for number 13. First team foul. Sa foul number 13. Last foul number 13. Wala pa rin. Sumawag rebound number 8.
Oy, Apon.
Number 42.
Defense, technical.
Ano si 42? Nakita si number 6! Pumunta sa ball! Desert Warriors!
Nice pass.
Score is 42-38. Number 23, Gion. Gion! Wala pinasahan si Gion. Number 10, Rodriguez. Pass to number 6, Roses.
Lakas, lakas.
Masyado malakas.
Go,
Number
George.
Jones, 10 to shoot. Number 22. Block.
Get.
5 to shoot. Rebound number 13. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 15. Pass to Ramos. Number 32. Pass to Gion. 23. Jumper. 2 points by number 23. Score is 42-40. Number 10.
Let's go.
Wala si number 10. Pass to number 8.
Good.
2 points by number 8.
Nagpapasahan na kayo.
Assist by number 10 and Luis.
Hindi naman.
Time remaining 6 minutes para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Ayan sa number 15.
Ay, naku, Enriquez. Ay, naku.
Foul number 8. First personal foul for number 8. Second team foul. 2 shot para number 15. Sa number 15. Last one para number 15. 2 out of 2 for number 15 scores 44-42. Nahabol ang Desert Warriors. Kaya sa number 10, Rodriguez. Pass to number 8. Foul! Basket para number 8. There's no foul. Basket foul number 15. For Hoodie.
Go, Prince.
Third personal foul for number 15. First team foul. Bonus roll para number 8. 1-1. Wala, rebound ng number 12, Bruce. Pass number 15. 15, pass number 23. Gion. Second personal foul for number 8. 13 foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds para sa ating final quarter.
3.
Minus 15 for 3. Ayan. Shot. Outside.
Pas na.
Roses ball. Shot, shot, shot. Number 44 in. Number 15 out. Para si number 10 Enriquez. Enriquez, step up. Pero binigay kay number 6 Roses. With a play. Number 6.
Yay!
Score
Good
is
job!
48-44. Number 32 Ramos. Ramos. He's still in 32. Bravo! Let's go! 32. Score is 50-44. Angat sa akin ng mga Roses. Ayan si Ramos. Ayan si Ramos.
Foul number 6.
Foul number 6. Roses.
Second.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty. For Team Roses. Warning for penalty. Basketball by Johnny Ramos. Last door by number 32. Two out of two. Ramos scores 15-46. Number 10 Enriquez. Enriquez. Pass number 42.
1-1, wala ka sa pwesto.
10 to shoot. Number 8.
Dapat hindi na
Number
yun.
5. Fabi by number 8. That's 44.
Huwag mo na i-dribble, i-shoot mo na lang pagpasa. Nasa pwesto ka na eh. Oy, jump ball.
Foul number
12.
12. Cruz. Second personal foul, second team foul. Para number 12 Cruz. Number 2 para kay Enriquez. Number 10. Number 10 Enriquez.
Bakit?
Legal screen.
Illegal screen, Kevin.
Number 13, look.
Okay.
Number 32, Ramos. Ramos, Ramos. Wala, wala dito. Number 13. Pass number 8. Pass number 42. Ay, si 42. Pass to number 6. And Roses.
Sabay, sabay. Oy! Technical kayong dalawa, nagyayakapan na kayo, kanina pa kayo. Chill.
Jabon. Pero may foul. Foul number 8. 14 Roses.
Graduate na.
Double foul. Number 12, third personal foul. Desert Warriors tayo. Possession. Yes, number 3, Magale. 2-4. Score is 15-48. Pasa dalawang Malamalaw. Roses. Enriquez for 3. Last 10 minutes. Roses drive. Number 23. That's your fourth personal foul. George, two shot by number 12, Bruce. Baskets up. Baskets up. Last row para kay Bruce. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 8. Pass on number 2. 22. Pass on number 10 Rodriguez. Number foul. Foul number 44. Of nine fouls. Subred. Second
Uy!
personal foul by number 44.
Coach!
Third team foul.
Coach,
Sub, sub, sub.
more than 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes yung play niya, no?
Ten to shoot. Rodriguez pinawas over. Pass to 36. Nakuha number 14. Ramos. Nancy Ramos. Ramos. Program number 6. Foul. Foul. Foul number 12. Okay, foul. 1-point penalty. 1-point penalty. Timeout. Roses. Time remaining, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Para sa aming po ng final quarter. Number 42. Number 42. Give up. Wala. Sinawa na rin. Rebound number 12. Last 54 seconds. 54 seconds. Last 54 seconds. Si Ramos. Ayan si Ramos. Passing number 6. Last 40 seconds. Remaining is 42. Timeout. Desert Warriors. Last 39 seconds. Number 12. Pass number 15. Going to shoot. Is good. Is good number 42. Number foul. Golden penalty. Foul number 15. Golden foul. Penalty. Both teams penalty. Desert Warriors have their timeout. Kasama number 6. Number 15, that's your fourth personal foul. Number 15. Fourth personal foul. Last one, number 6. It's good. Last 39 seconds. Number 15, wala.